Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce a new educational course to you. This course is designed for product managers, product owners, consultants, and anyone interested in product management. It's perfect for those who want to professionally use ChatGPT to handle key product management tasks like the business model canvas, Kano Model, and product vision board. It's ideal for those seeking innovation, better decision-making, and faster product planning with the help of AI. This course has a 4.2 rating and over 34,000 students, making it a successful one. Its current price is around €13. By purchasing this course, you will have full lifetime access to it, along with all future updates. The course includes 7.5 hours of content and 4 related articles. Here's what you'll learn in this course: use of ChatGPT for generating product management deliverables like business model canvas, Kano Model, and product vision board. How to write a general ChatGPT prompt structure for generating product management deliverables. Create compelling product vision boards with ChatGPT's guidance. Learn to write effective prompts and refine the results for a powerful feature prioritization using the Kano model. Create detailed business model canvases with the assistance of ChatGPT's prompting framework. Now, I have an exciting offer for you. I want to show you how to get this valuable course completely free and 100% legally. To find out how, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com in Google. From the results, click on the correct link. Make sure the address matches the one shown here and you will be directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will land on the homepage of the site. There, you can access various discount coupons for different courses. Use the search bar to find the course you're looking for. Now you can see the course listed. To get the discount coupon, scroll down and click the Go to the Course button. The course will be available for you free of charge. Please note that the coupon may have a time limit. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've gained legal and free access to this course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.